see the... Dude, they look really good. Okay guys, it's a new day and the weather is not exactly what I thought it was going to be. There's some blue sky, but back there it's kind of gray with a little bit of sun. So I'm gonna try to get some content. Just read an article about how Cybertruck actually is now considered a flop and it might be filing for the lemon law, but
it's like a monkey trying to fuck a football.
I kind of knew, I predicted it, that it was going to be a flop. Yeah, it's on its way to filing for what's called a lemon law, but I am totally proud and happy to announce that Supercar Specifics now has merch. And this is the first shirt as a test subject and it turned out great. It's very high quality. The design turned out beautiful on it.
Hey, it's Vince with Sham Wow. You'll be saying wow every time you use this shirt.
It's got my buddy's F50 on it. And it says driving V12s is good karma. Karma spelled with a C, even though it's spelled with a K, but because, you know, car.
Right, Peter?
And Peter.
So, you get it? So all these will have like a play on words. I'll put a few more designs here. By this time, I will have my website up and running. You just go to the website and you'll be able to choose from all these designs. They're very high quality, they're fleece. Super, super high quality stuff. So please help support the channel. All of the proceeds go to my Monterey trip and my Gallardo trip. I have donors, sponsors, and save money for those trips, but every little bit helps. So if you guys want to help support the channel, help support more traveling, that would be great. There's also another thing I want to do, which is called Dream Ride. It's in Connecticut after Monterey Car Week. Here on Per Sport, Super Sport, the Koenigsegg Regera World Record Edition. Cars like that and his buddies, and they do a drive in Connecticut, so we might do that. So that can be supported by purchasing merch. There's also a secondary page on my page, which is a one-time donation. If you feel like helping the channel and helping the channel grow, please, if you feel even like $2 might help, you know, anything helps. Usually I wouldn't ask for this, but I'm not monetized yet. So every little thing helps. I've been putting all my own funds into this channel to grow it, and it would be nice to start seeing a return on my investment. So if you guys would like, please help donate. And once I become monetized, I will stop that, but I will keep doing merch because it always supports to have merch. So, okay guys, like, share, and subscribe. Keep the comments positive, not political. Okay guys, first channel shirt, man. Check it out. Shirts are 35 bucks, hoodies are 50. Please support the channel. I'll put a link to the website in description, and anything helps, you guys. All right, peace. There's a Tokyo Sion. I can't tell if it's a 750 or... That's sick. Good color. That's a dope spec. Sick. That's really... It's got rims on it. Sounds like exhaust. Ooh, it sounds so good. If I'm not mistaken, but that's sick. Ooh, right in front of the call, that was close. Wow, look at that wrap. That's crazy. 991.2 GT3. is wild. There it is, you guys. The brand new Volkswagen ID bus.
Man. Okay, get in your left lane, man.
What?
Get in your left lane.
Left?
Right.
Right. Oh, right. Okay.
Go your left lane, man.
No, and we saw this, you guys. It's the new ID bus. It's pretty wild. My brother had a bus way back in the day, so it's a beautiful day. Dude, M5 CS. Dude, in frozen green. I always see them in gray, dude. Wow. Holy. Dude, that's sick.
I mean, that's up to him, but...
It's got, oh no, it doesn't have the adventure package. It's pretty sick though. Damn, it sounds good. Sounds really good. Yeah, dude, sick. And there's the Volkswagen ID driving. Hybrid C2. It's got the new active arrow in the front, as you can see right there. It's got the active arrow. And see how it says it's a T hybrid, turbo hybrid. GTS, look at the exhaust, so yeah. You heard Kyle explain it better than I did in the video, but yeah, 992.2. Ooh, that's so nice. Speak of the devil, we have a Cybertruck. And that right now is not even Tesla will take one of those in as a trade-in. With all the recalls, I think there's been like over 100 recalls on these things. So I can kind of see why. But I mean, no offense to anybody who bought one, I just feel bad for you guys because I mean, they're depreciating pretty hardcore. And like I said, they should have never been on the road. They're pretty ugly. I don't know. But there you go, you guys. That's my opinion on the Cybertruck. Obviously, it's taking a dump in the market.
Hello? Are you pooping?
And feel bad for anybody who bought one. That parking ticket's probably worth more than what this thing's worth right now. So, okay guys, we have ourselves a little treat here. We have a real GP Works Mini Cooper. Now it's obviously missing one of the wheels, the OZ racing wheels. It's got the stock wheel on there, but I looked it over. It's a real GP Works. So you don't see these every day. They're pretty limited numbers, but as you can see, it's got the carbon fiber around the wheel wells, center exit exhaust, it's got the wing. These things are monsters. I would take one of these any day. I'm actually gonna shoot this. Type 57. Sick. You don't see those every day. Saw it the last time, but only got a quick shot of it. It's either Novatech or 1016. That's sick. Another Rolls-Royce Phantom. So that other one that I've been seeing is in the Hazelton, but that's a dark blue one. That's silver wheels. That's really nice. Or it's black, I think, but really nice Phantom.
At least it's over. Fuck you. No, it's not.
Okay guys, as you can see the weather is not doing so hot, but we're at a very particular event for something that's just been released and it's a debut. There is a valet, so hopefully some stuff will show up, but here's a funny story. I used to live in that building right there, but then there was a major fire. I lived 3 rows in at the bottom and the fire was the second window from the last. And it was a whole big thing, made the news. Anyway, it's the reason why I live where I live now, but it's just funny that this is in my area where I used to live. So I'm gonna make some, ooh, that's pretty sick. I think that's an Escalade V on rims. That's pretty baller.
Nice and tight.
Dude, that's sick. Wow. That is so nice. I get the rollouts of what's here, but obviously by the title and thumbnail, you guys have figured out that it's the Lamborghini Temerario. So I'm waiting to get the rollouts. Hopefully they get loaded up tonight. There's some pretty big heads from Lamborghini here. Okay guys, like, share, and subscribe. The weather sucks.
That's what she said.
But that's really sad. But there's a, yeah, I think that's the SC. Yeah, it is. Anyway, okay guys. Supercar, sick. Volante too. In the rain. My buddy forgot about me, so I'm just gonna do that sick. That car, USS, so sick. Car should be coming out soon. Hopefully we get the rollouts of the Temerario. Dude, full Brabus G. Dude, that is sick. I saw it peak in there. The carbon wheels, full Brabus G. Dude, that is so sick. Can't tell what the color is in this lighting, but wow, that's baller. I think the event's ending soon, so hopefully we'll get the cars rolling. Yeah, that you don't see every day. There it goes, full Brabus G. Holy shit. Dude, yeah, M5 Touring, that's pretty cool. It's got, so, frozen purple M5 Touring. Now, you guys recognize the IM fans, we see their cars all the time. I am so cold, but the event's ending now, so hopefully we'll get the Temerario being unloaded. Dude, that's so nice. M5 Touring in frozen purple. Frozen purple. Right there. I'm shivering, you guys, sorry. Huracan Storado, sick. Now that's how you come to a Lamborghini event, dude. So sick. The new Cullinan, I'm pretty sure. Let me see, yeah. That's pretty sick. It's got the new headlights. It's pretty nice. I still think the front end looks a little too BMW-ish, but I like those wheels. That's really nice. Yeah, it's the new Cullinan. I haven't seen one driving yet. Nice, good spec, the turquoise on black. Grand Touring, so it must be like one of the owners of Grand Touring. Dude, Viola Parsife, that is insane. Holy, dude, that is, I'm in shock. That is so good. Sounds incredible. Wow. Escalade V on Bosons. That's I think they're Bosons. I can't quite see what those are. Advan? Those are sick. BBX. That's sick. Okay guys, here it is. The new Lamborghini Temerario. This is the more hardcore track version of it. Ooh, that's a tight fit.
That's what she said.
Damn, that thing is sick. There it is, the Lamborghini Temerario. That's the more hardcore tracked out version. It's pretty cool. I'm just gonna. That's what they sound like. Damn, they sound good. Oh. Dude, that's so sick. Looks really good. Let's take a little look-see. This thing is sick. They sound incredible. Dude, it sounds so good. Listen to it. That's the exhaust. Twin turbo V8 hybrid. The brand new Temerario. That sounds really good. Just waiting for the blue one now. Here's the other one, you guys. The base model, which is sick. Dude, they look really good. I'm really stoked on these. In the rain, too. That's so nuts. Oh, cold start. So this is what they say that's going to sound like closer to. I'm going to try to get a photo. And there it is, you guys. I tried to get as much footage as I could. The brand new Lamborghini Temerario. Wow. The green one's sick. Sounds way better. They look good though. They're not as SF90-ish as I thought they were. You know I used to live here, right? Yeah. That's the place that burned down where I moved into this. No, wreck it. It's fine, dude. I'm just talking. So I used to live in there, and now I'm filming these. So sick. The new 4x4 squared. Sick. Okay guys, I'm burnt, I'm tired, I'm hungry.